Good day, ma'am. Today, I'll be demonstrating different searching techniques used to find a specific item in a list. The four methods I'll cover are unordered linear search, ordered linear search, binary search, and interpolation search.
First, I'll create the unordered linear search function. This method searches through each item one by one without assuming any order. If it finds the target, it returns the index. If it not, it returns 1. Next, I'll code the ordered linear search function. Since the list is sorted, we can improve a little. If we find a value bigger than the target while searching, we can stop early and return 1. If the value matches, return the index. Next, I'll code the binary search function. Binary search works only on sorted lists. We check the middle value if it's the target, we're done. If the target is smaller, we search the left half. If larger, we search the right half. We keep cutting the list in half until we find the target or the search space becomes empty. Finally, I'll code the interpolation search function. Interpolation search also works on sorted lists, but it's even smarter for lists where values are distributed evenly. It estimates where the target might be based on the values. We calculate a position using a formula and narrow down the search from there. Now that all the functions are ready, I'll create two lists. One unsorted and the one is sorted. I'll also set up a few test cases to check if our searching techniques work. That's it. Now I have a working program that demonstrates an ordered search, binary search, and interpolation search.